Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm doing Salisbury steak tonight for dinner, and I'm actually making 4 portions because 3 are for work, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So figured 2 birds with 1 stone. Do a little meal prep, make dinner, Cast Iron Wednesday. Let's get to it. I got 19 minutes on the timer. I got carrots in the oven. I'm doing baked potatoes tonight, which can't remember the last time I had a baked potato. Sounded pretty good. And yeah, let's get to it. Pound and a half of ground beef. 1/2 cup of panko. Slap your mama. Salt and paprika. Plus 2 beaten eggs. I watched Chef John over at foodwishes.com make this, and he suggested mixing it with a fork. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I want to try and do 4. This is 1.5 pounds of ground beef, which I may have said. I'm going to try and do 4 equal portions. Looks like it's not. No, it's not really mixed thoroughly. So we're just gonna have to get in there and mix it a little bit better. The fork really didn't quite do it. Okay. So make sure I have everything mixed well. I'm gonna try to do a lot of the recipes I saw said use 1 pound, but I figured that would only give me 4 patties at a quarter pound each. So alright. I'm hoping I can get all 4 of these in here. That is my hope. Oh, am I gonna get lucky? Pretty close. Alright, I gotta try and flip these over. I wanna basically brown these, which I'm happy with the color. Color looks great. I wanna brown them, then move them to a plate, and then use the oil that's in there to make mushroom gravy, which will go over the top. So it should be good. Alrighty, let's get these pulled out. Look at the color on those. Super happy with the coloration. just gonna pull those out. Get my mushrooms in there. And the mushrooms are gonna soak up all that greasy goodness. Of course, I gotta season my mushrooms. I completely ran out of garlic, granulated garlic, and I forgot to get more. So, whoops. And see that? Almost all the grease is absorbed already by the mushrooms. Alright, these mushrooms are looking good. We'll just move them into the center. Now because they absorbed all the grease I had from the meat, I'm going to use bacon grease. And I want to make a good amount, so. Unfortunately, everything always tilts to the base. I can adjust the legs, I just haven't done it yet. Why don't I put too much in? I'm going to pull a little bit out. That should be enough. I want to make a good amount of gravy because I want this thing like basically swimming in gravy. So, 1/4 teaspoon of flour and make a roux. Just like that. And now I'm going to pour in, I'm going to glug in basically a bunch of this beef broth. And just keep stirring it until it's smooth. That came together already. Stir those mushrooms in. Alright. See, it's starting to thicken up again. Before I add broth, I want to add something I saw Cowboy Kent Rollins do. He had a little bit of wine. So I've got some Pinot Noir here in a black, basically a box. Probably about that much. Oh, and he also added, where is it? It's not often used in my kitchen, but Lean Perrins Worcestershire sauce. A little glug of that. Gravy consistency is looking really good. I gotta check over. Okay, so potatoes are done. I'm not worried about leaving them out because the center of those is going to be, the temperature of the sun for a good while. I added a little bit more beef broth before I turn the camera on because gravy will thicken as it sits. So, but I'm liking the consistency of that. Let's get these back in here. And I want to make sure I save every drop of that liquid. Kind of work them around a little bit because I want gravy on top of everything in here. It wouldn't be Salisbury steak without it. So sweet. I'm really just kind of waiting on my carrots, but I'm going to give them a few while I let them sit and simmer for a bit while I kind of clean up. Alright, I think we can go ahead and dish up. I'm going to grab This one's talking to me. I need some of that mushroom gravy over it. Go ahead and kill the heat. We'll grab a small baked potato. And did I have anything? I got the carrots here. I'll throw a few carrots on there. I don't know how you guys do your baked potato, but oh yeah, perfectly cooked. I forgot to buy sour cream, of course, but you gotta put, 2 pounds of butter on it. And then, pardon my reach, throw a breadstick on there. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks really scrumptious. Alrighty, so as I showed the black box Pinot Noir, I thought I had a wine glass somewhere and couldn't find it. So if you're a wine connoisseur, look away. Yeah. Tastes like a wine. I'm sure I'll cook with it down the road at some point. That box will probably last me a year. That's how little I drink. Go ahead and try this Salisbury steak, which I'm pretty sure it's the first time I've ever made it, at least on my channel. I mean, I haven't made the pop the Hungry Man in the oven, but it's been a number of years. Wow. It tastes really good. Somehow I managed to get the native flavor of this Salisbury steak down too. Oh yeah. Try the baked potato without the sour cream and the bacon bits, which, I'm not perfect. The pound of butter helps. I get, of course, and a carrot. Oh yeah. Damn. Man, I'll tell you what. It's really, everything is just really good. The bread, the Salisbury steak. Kind of wish I had made more now. I could have went and got a second one, but I need it for work. Even the potato's good. And when I do my baked potatoes, I always wash the outside really well. That way I can eat the skin too, because I'm a skin eating guy. I know I have a lot of really weird food quirks, but well, I eat the baked potato skin. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be down in the description, along with last week's video. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Hope your weekend starts soon. And yeah, so have a good one. We'll catch you later.